How to install Google Chrome on a Windows 11 PC or laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to safely download and install the Google Chrome browser on your computer. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing we need to do is download the Chrome browser from Google. And we can do that by first opening up a browser on our computer. To open up the browser, go down to the Windows Start button here, select it. And then in this menu that comes up, just type browser. You should see Microsoft Edge come up, select that. And once Microsoft Edge comes up in this little address bar up here, just type chrome.com. This is the official website for Google Chrome, and it's where we can safely download it. Now all we need to do is select Download Chrome. You may see a download thing come up here. Go ahead and select Save. And then once it's done downloading, go ahead and select Open File. Now when you first open up Google Chrome, it's going to need to install. You'll see this screen that says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? And select Yes so that the Google installer can install Chrome on our computer. So then you'll see this where it's downloading the Google Chrome browser, and then it's going to install it. It'll then start installing. Once it's done installing, it'll open up the Google Chrome browser on your computer, and it may ask you to sign into your account or set up different things, but now you can start using the Google Chrome browser. You might see down here in the taskbar the Google Chrome icon, and if you want to keep that icon down there so you can just quickly open it up whenever you want, right-click that and just select Pin to Taskbar. And even if you close the Chrome browser, you can always go down to the taskbar, select the Chrome icon, and then it will open up the browser for you. So that's how you install Google Chrome on a Windows 11 PC or laptop. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.